All right, this is a daily chart of TOL. TOL is a great options play. I'm going to explain why. First of all, we have this nice wedge, and something happened here. I believe that for the prices to be higher, that there is some buying in the stock. I believe that from this pattern alone, that the stock should be heading to 39. Um, it shouldn't take too long. Within at least no longer than a few weeks. Um, and so earnings are coming out December the 20th. So I think they might have an earnings run for the stock. One of my targets is $39 a share, and that's just to challenge this high. They had a high here, so what I'm looking for is a little bit more strength and confirmation here. Basically, I look at my CCI. That's what we require right now. Everything's kind of aligned right now, but we need that power action. And as this clears $34 a share, that would be a good time to get options in the money calls. So I'm looking perhaps 30 in the money call, like $30 in the money calls or whatever. You can get 31. You just look at the price that you feel how many you can want to get, how many you want to get. But I think if this has a chance to move $5 within a few weeks, the in the money calls will go up significantly, and it's very, very low risk. I mean, the stock's done. It's been basing. It's done. It's dropping for months now, right? You can see this is basing here. If I draw this, drawing a line, there's been strong support, and now we have a wedging pattern. And of course, everything is getting tight here in my visionary lines. So this is very low risk, high reward. When you follow me, I bring to you a lot of people put up ideas, but they're putting up 20, 30 ideas. I put up the best ones, the low risk ideas where we make profits. When either you're making small profits to large gains, right? Because sometimes things don't work out. We have to take a small profit. And this might be in this case here that this turns into be a small profit. It doesn't matter, you know. This could be easily 100% gain in options play. Uh, but sometimes things don't work out where we have to take small profits. But for in case of losing money, if this can confirm above 34, which is what I want to see, some strength that this wants to go. And let's take a look at this day here. Yeah. Um, and in these days here, we had some resistance these past. We're like in this little channel here. I believe if we crack through 34, that'd be good enough of an indication from where we are now that the stock means business and that we could get that $39 a share within a few weeks, which could be a big return on investment on your options. I'm not going to hold to earnings in the stock. So, but still, just for time's sake, I would look to use January calls. Um, and again, in the money, because as soon as it starts to move in the money, right, we're making money. Even if it gets to 36 and you're buying a 32 in the money call, you make a lot of money, right? As a worst case scenario. But this one here has a good possibility. I looked for this. Can it move $5 in a couple of weeks? 4 to 5 points in a couple of weeks? Yes, it can. And 4 to 5 points in this stock with options, believe it or not, can make quite a bit of profits. Very low risk. So there you have it. TOL, a break above 34. Good sign for the stock that's gonna try to test 39. Thanks for listening. Like the video.